Let's see who catches us live. Hi guys. We are in Abu Dhabi and we didn't know that there's a fabulous little island away from Abu Dhabi, a little away from Abu Dhabi. It's called Zaya Nurai Island and we're so happy that we're here. And we just wanted to give our love to you. And Zed, do you want to say hi?
Hi everybody, and my person also says hi to you guys. We're ready if it's gonna rain. We have the umbrella with us.
Yeah, ये umbrella, ये छतरी मुझे बहुत protect करने वाली है. और Sharif is here. Hi Sharif.
Jinga.
Yeah.
Jinga is there. Ocean में umbrella.
And just by the way, my movie releases tomorrow on Amazon Mini TV.
Somebody saying honeymooning.
It is, yeah, this is our 10th honeymoon.
Jinga and Bhabhi.
Jinga and Bhabhi. Hi Sharif. Oh, by the way, so my movie releases tomorrow on Amazon Mini TV. And it's on the Amazon Android shopping app. Don't forget to watch it. It's with Sharif Hashmi. He's the most fabulous actor. And you're going to see me as an amazing, regular, middle-class housewife. And it's a lovely movie. It's a short film.
बहुत फन मूवी है. मैंने छोटा सा ट्रेलर देखा है जो आप लोग ने भी देखा है. बट मुझे बहुत फनी लग रही है ये मूवी.
It's a lovely film.
मजा आएगा.
And also guys, शारिफ का गाना आया है. दूसरे शारिफ का गाना आया है.
He's not the one.
No, शारिफ और तोशी का गाना आया है called Heart Fail. It's with Aves and Nagma. Also हमारा गाना पिछले हफ्ते आया है. And Mika Paji, yeah of course. And हमारा गाना भी आया है पिछले हफ्ते. मैं प्यार में हूँ. Go watch it now on YouTube. मैं प्यार में हूँ by Gold Boy. Cannot miss it. Cannot, because Zed is fab in that song.
It's already crossed 15 million.
No, Babu.
No?
No, 11 million.
In my head it's crossed.
Okay, it will cross 15 million soon, so go watch it. And hey, Ali Brothers, hi. Ali Brothers के साथ हमारा पहला वीडियो था, and they were very lucky for us.
Cutting my head.
And Janu, my hand's hurting, so I'm not on a selfie stick.
My Naril Pani of Abu Dhabi.
And we love you guys. We love my crazy lot, and of course Zed's Zani Buns. And much love to all of you. Also, don't forget, Abu Dhabi is the place to be. It's amazing. We didn't know there's so many things to do here.
Actually.
Afsha, she says, मैं प्यार में हूँ. And
Rimi is there, Rimi.
Rimi is always on our live. We love you, Rimi.
Rimi is the cutest.
Yeah, she's the cutest. Okay, also if you can't,
she's a very good singer also.
अगर आपको हमारी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, so it's because of all the music that's going on here. But I hope you can hear us. My movie comes out tomorrow. मैं प्यार में हूँ is already released on YouTube. And of course,
more to go.
Lots more to go. And we just wanted to give you a glimpse of this beautiful island called Nurai Island. It's a little bit ahead of, it is in Abu Dhabi. And it's, you know, you've got to take a ferry ride and come here. It's not too far away.
We miss you too.
We miss you too, Rimi. And we'll see you soon. Hopefully you're in Bangkok safe and home. If you're in India, we'd love to see you.
Dance like a champion.
Was that your song?
Yeah, with Rimi.
With Rimi. Thanks for saying nice things about Abu Dhabi. But actually, हम सब दुबई जाते हैं. Of course, everybody loves Dubai. But Abu Dhabi has so much to do. Zed, did you know there's so much to do in Abu Dhabi?
This is my first time in Abu Dhabi.
And this is my first time I'm actually exploring Abu Dhabi like this. Yeah.
But honestly, I didn't think that Abu Dhabi is going to be this great.
It's amazing, guys. It's the perfect holiday destination. It's just not about a city. There's so many things to do for your family as well. So, Aja, what are you doing? Okay, love you.
There's 9 days left for what?
For our anniversary. Yes.
Oh.
Not 9, more.
No, it's 9. They
Not
can't be
9.
wrong.
Today is not. Oh yeah, today is 16.
They cannot be ever
Today's
wrong.
15. Yeah. Oh my God, 9 days left. Woo! Okay.
1 year, 1 year.
Alhamdulillah, it's been a fabulous year, and please.
Traveling.
Yeah, we've been traveling, Alhamdulillah, and
एक
also.
साल travel ही करते गए माशाल्लाह हम लोग.
Yeah, and बहुत काम भी किया
वही
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
ट्रैवल मतलब हम लोगों का ट्रैवल
काम ही होता है. Yeah. Hey Tamanna is here. Tamanna, I'm going to see you tonight. Inshallah, I'm going to call Rupa aunty. She's not answering my call. So.
Okay. Fine. You're live.
Okay, love you guys, and yeah, we want a party for 1 year. Afsha says, of course, we're gonna have a lovely party, inshallah, soon when we come back. And this is my most favorite time of the year because it's around Christmas and everyone is holidaying and it's just a cheerful time. So everyone just spread love.
I think it's gonna rain.
I don't know why are you obsessed with this umbrella.
I like this umbrella. I'm gonna take it home.
It's not going to rain. Okay, bye guys. See you short live from us. Love you. Mwah. Oh wow, what a song!
Okay, we're back.
Every breath you take. Woo! Okay, bye guys. Komal. Love you, Komal. I'm gonna call you about the information tonight, inshallah.
Everything talk here only. Call everybody and talk here only.
All my friends and family are here. All our friends and family are here. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.